Hello everyone. So today we are going to start the first set of the Wipro Verbal Ability Test. So let's get started with the question 1. So the first question is rearrange the parts of the sentence so as to make a meaningful sentence. And what are the options which are given here? Let me point out. The Prime Minister with the guards along has arrived. So we need to find out. So always in such type of questions, what you have to do, you need to go through the options. So what is the option? In option it is A and A. So thus the first answer gonna be like 1. Then followed by the Prime Minister with the guards, no, it's not possible. Along, no. Has arrived, obviously. So A, D, which option? Means either C or D. Then after, the Prime Minister has arrived with the guards. No, the Prime Minister has arrived along with the guards. So A, D, C, B. So this is gonna be the right answer. Okay. Now let's proceed further. That is next question. Rearrange the parts of the paragraph so as to make a meaningful passage. So always try to do one thing, just read the whole passage. That is, in fact, his belief was that customers are the origin, the source of money any company has. The owner of Walmart, Sam Walton, built his empire on one principle: customer is the god. So it is not the company which pays the customer does. The customer thus has the right to fire anybody in the company, from a salesman to the chairman. So here as it starts, first like we need to find out, and obviously it goes with this one, the owner of the Walmart. So first like we have to introduce a character. So let's try to find out options. So B and C can be. Apart from the, okay, so two options we can eliminate, that is the first option and the last option. So B as it can be. Then what can be the next? So either it can be A. Okay, so in both the options we have A. That is, in fact, his belief was that. Then we need to check whether it is C or D after that. As you can see in the option B and D, whether it is C or D. So first is the owner of Walmart, Sam Walton, built his empire on one principle: customer is the god. In fact, his belief was that customers are the origin, the source of money any company has. So it is not the company which pays the customer does, the customer does. Yes. So obviously D option, it's appearing like conclusion. So even we can proceed with the conclusion, and thus our answer gonna be option B. Okay. So in this way, like you can go through such questions, and these are the like various question papers, I mean, of the previous years of the Wipro, and in future you can expect such questions. Then the third question is related to the error finding, that is, find the part of the sentence that is incorrect in usage. And the question is agitated over the delay, or even agitated you can use according to the pronunciation. Agitated over the delay in getting arrears. Factory workers protested against the president when he reaches the factory, and thus the last one it goes no error. So let's try to find out what gonna be. So agitated over the delay in getting the arrears. Okay, it means something that happened in the past. Factory workers protested against, already it's done, when he reaches the factory. But in the option C, if you'll observe in the option C, what it is written in simple present, whereas both the sentences are given in past, but this sentence is in present, that is reaches. Thus what is the error? Option C. So always do one thing, whenever you have to spot the error, first check the tense, then like the preposition and other things. Okay, I hope now you are getting the point. Now let's proceed with the next question. So this was our last question. Once again, if you want to see, have a look. Let's proceed with the next question. That is, select the option that replaces the error underlined. I mean, you need to replace the underlined error, and such kind of questions you may find. And what is the sentence? it has been found by the researchers that children with high blood sugar are at increased risk for developing heart problems. So you need to find out the appropriate answer for this. So here, like, it has been found, it means already it is said by the researchers that the children with high blood pressure, so if you'll go through, like, no correction, no, obviously the correction is required, are increasing, no, it's already done, so it can't be the C option. Then let's see the B option, have high risk, no, not now, it was found, so were at increased risk, the answer gonna be, that is A. Got the point? So what gonna be our answer here? The answer is A. Now let's proceed with the next question. That is this. Select a word from the given options that fit the blank most appropriately. That is, drugs and alcohol dash together to dash the risk of cancer in both men and women. So what does it mean? Let's try to understand. So drugs and alcohol, let's try to put the first option, that is result or aggravate, no. Drugs and alcohol result, no, not that. Let's try to, drugs and alcohol act together to increase the risk, yeah, it can be, but let's check the next options as well. First one anyhow it never gonna be. Drugs and alcohol mixed together, no, to lower the risk, no, it increases. And drugs and alcohol put together to arrest, no. So our answer gonna be B. I hope now you are getting the point. Next, let's move towards the next question, that is sixth one. In his first public speech, the newly elected defense minister said that leaks in defense matters could potentially dash military operations. So obviously if something leaks, so what you need to, it disturb, okay, so it doesn't disturb. Strengthen, no, not at all. So even it promotes, no, so the answer is jeopardize. Okay, next we are heading towards the next question, and in the upcoming session, like, you will find most of the, like, the verbal ability test papers from most of the organizations I am going to upload soon, and even you can practice as the sets. So this is gonna be the paper set 1. In the same way, like, I am going to upload many more. So let's go through the question, that is select the most suitable word that can be replaced with the highlighted word to keep the meaning of the statement the same. And the statement is, many times in history humans have changed their mode of communication in the society. So what we need to find out, replaced, so obviously what can be the, like, replaceable sentence for that, that is evolved, no, destroyed, no, altered, obviously change, it means altered, and it's an particular synonym. So at the same time, if you are aware of the synonym, then easily. Pledge, no, pledge is not the right answer, so the answer is option C, that is altered. Then we have the next question, select the synonym for the question, together. Okay, so let's find out. Together, so common is obviously not, obstinate is not, same, no, so jointly. Okay. The next question, as we are heading towards, is select the synonym for almost. So in case of almost, what going to be the synonym? That is not crafty, not relevant, not summary. So obviously it is nearly. Okay, almost is, as we say, approximately. Okay, in this way we can proceed with our answer. Next question is, select the antonym for the word called arise. And arise, it means to originate, as in the class I told you. So arise, obviously, Antonym. So appear is again not the right answer. Dive, obviously to sink. So this can be right. Occur, no, and emerge, obviously not. So this gonna be the right answer. So now I hope you got the 10 questions. So you can practice in the same way, and soon I am going to upload the paper 2 set as well. So almost like 5 to 6 sets of Wipro, 3 to 4 sets of few other organizations I am going to upload. So all the very best and practice well. Thank you.